everyone and welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. My name is Mikal and in today's video I'm going to be creating this look using only cream and liquid products, so we're not using any powders. Make sure you give this a like, make sure you comment, make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you turn the bell on so that you are notified when Look Fantastic next upload a video. Okay, so straight into this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, and this is a moisturizer and a primer in one. And honestly, it is like an investment in terms of like price wise, but a little goes a long way. It smells gorgeous as well. I remember when I put this on my face and I put my makeup on top of it, and I came home after like 8-9 hours and my makeup did not budge. And look how much I'm using. Like a little goes a long way. It just really hydrates your skin and it's good for like combination skin. It just gives you that little glow. Can you see? Oh, so I already put my moisturizer on before I put this on. That's why I only put a little bit. And it dries like matte. And I don't really like matte, but it's just not oily, it's not greasy. I usually do my eyebrows first, but today I'm switching it up. I'm gonna go with my foundation first. I absolutely love NARS. I feel like I've always tried to use other foundations, but then I always go back to NARS. I'm actually using the Radiant Longwear foundation in Syracuse. I'm usually this shade during the winter, and I'm in the shade Tahoe during the winter. No, during the summer, sorry. I've only recently started using this shade. I used to always buy the shade Tahoe, but then I was thinking it's just too dark for me during the winter. So I tried other foundations and I found Syracuse and I was like, yes, okay, we're gonna work with this. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Like, it's not making me orange, it's not making me darker and lighter, not making me pale. It's really nice for just having that subtle makeup look. Can you see? So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and these bad boys last for so long. I actually had my first ever shade was in Ebony. I do love Ebony, but I just went for a different color because I still have a lot of this. As you can see, it's dried up a little bit because I left it without a lid. What I like about this is that you can go as heavy or as light-handed as you wanted. So if you want to go for bold eyebrows, you can. If you just want to go really light like me, you can. It just glides on so nice. I literally I'm barely using anything. It's like light feathery strokes that I'm using. Thick eyebrows, yes. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm using the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Caramel. NARS concealer, honestly, it's just the best. This one covers everything, and I'm only using this to conceal. I'm not using it to highlight, and it does exactly that. Super creamy. A little goes a long. I keep saying a little goes a long way, but with all these products, a little really does go a long way. I kind of want to put a little bit more on, but I'm not going to. I'm going to highlight, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Just make sure it's fully blended in. Now I'm going to go in to contour, and I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Coca. I'm going to apply it on my hand first. I'm just going to honestly use a little bit. Apply it on my hand, and I'm going to get my beauty blender. I love the consistency of this because I can control how much or how dark I want it to be. I can have a really strong contour with this, or I can go really light like I'm doing right now. Contour my nose like this. Not precise at all, but do I want to highlight? Do I want to go in with a lighter shade into my eyes? Decisions. A little bit won't hurt. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Cookie. I'm only gonna use a little bit just because I'm not gonna use any powders. I don't want it to get cakey. So I'm literally gonna do a dot. like that. That's it. That's it. Oh yeah, see, it's a little bit better. A little good bright under eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Daniel Sandler watercolor liquid cheek color in the shade Gentle. Shake this up. Make sure you do a good job of shaking it. And I need to stop saying this, but a little really does go a long way with this. I think because I'm using a lot of liquid products, you don't want to overdo it. I'm just gonna apply it to my hand first. 1, 2. Right, that's it. Go in with my Revolution Pro brush, stippling brush. And I'm just gonna mix it in my hand before I apply it to my cheeks. And I'm gonna do that awkward smile, like this. You see what I mean when I say a little goes a long way? I literally just done like one touch. This is a really nice blusher as well when you're not wearing any makeup, and it gives you that healthy glow. I don't want to overdo it. Sometimes I do try to overdo it with my blush and then I'll be looking like a clown. But I think that's enough. Now for the lips, I've gone in and lined my lips with a brown lip liner. And now I'm going to use my NYX Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Seduction. Not too much. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss. This Filler Instinct from NYX. And I feel like it tends to get better after like 5 minutes. Like when you put it on, it looks too glossy, then after 5 minutes, it's just perfect. I don't know how that works, but it works. I'm telling you, just trust me. Are we gonna add eyelashes? We're gonna add eyelashes. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyelashes for the final look. I can't believe it. I nearly forgot to add my MAC Fix Plus. I was like, what is missing? What is missing? It was you. It was you that was missing. Now I'm super dewy. Now the look's complete. Now the look's complete. So yeah, this is the final look using cream and liquid products. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel as well. And thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.